So my name's Jane Harries and I'm the coordinator for Cymdeithas y Cymod in Wales, Fellowship of Reconciliation, and we're here today to give in a petition from a number of peace groups in Wales asking for the Assembly to establish a Conscientious Objectors Day in Wales to mark commemorate conscientious objectors. And Bruce?
Well, I'm Bruce Kent and I'm a Vice President of the British Campaign for Nuclear Disarmament and also of the International Peace Bureau. And I'm delighted at this initiative because there is an international day, the 15th of May, which is now recognised around the world. And for Wales to take it on officially would be really wonderful, because social change always happens because some individuals say we will do this or we won't do that, and then things catch on, and I think conscientious objection is a gateway to a more peaceful world. So I think it's a wonderful initiative. Thank you.
We'd like there to be a day in Wales where we commemorate the contribution of conscientious objectors in the same way that there are days, obviously, where we commemorate people who fell in wars, etc., to partly as part of Wales's peace heritage, which we see as very important.
I started this with a chap called Charles Cobb, who was arrested. He was released from prison in about March of 1919 with tuberculosis and died shortly afterwards, unknown. But somebody began to talk about his history, and I was so impressed with that. I began to get interested in conscientious objection and how it's helped to change people's minds. So there are all these heroes and indeed heroines of the past that we ought to know about.